Pampanga. Guys, kayo ba ay naghahanap ng bagong staycation dito sa may Lubao, Pampanga? Kung ganon, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Welcome to Casa Mariyana. Umpisahan natin ang ating tour dito sa kanilang pool area. If you notice, meron tayong small swimming pool, pero meron po siyang dalawang section. So the first one is more of for kids. The second section is actually more of for adults kasi pansin ko guys, medyo malalim po ito. Outdoor sofa or chairs that you can use while you are watching probably your kids or your visitors. To my right, guys, meron tayo ditong bar and dining table. It comes with a counter, extension siya nung parang pinaka main dining. Now, the dining table has 8 chairs. Meron din tayong hanging chair, which is this one. I think this is one of the best pools na nakita ko or we featured sa Pampanga. And guys, so our owners has set up a mini picnic area dito now that you can use. Meron din tayong parang widescreen dito so you can project your movie that you can watch. But nonetheless guys, I think this is actually great. Itong setup na to, no? You can have a small picnic or small tent pambata. So here at the main entrance or the opening door natin, we're gonna get inside later on para pakita natin what's inside the accommodation area. But before that guys, I wanna show you how huge yung pinaka parking area natin. Look at this. Diba? In my estimate, siguro around 15 to 20 pwedeng mag-park dito. So let's get inside. Grabe, ang bigat ng pintuan nila. It's really solid, no? And feels like really heavy. Okay, so as soon as you come in, you're gonna be greeted with the indoor dining area, which is this one. Now, on my right, ito yung living room area natin. It has an entertainment TV. Napakalaki nito, guys. I think it's like 65 or 70 inches, no? My first impression, very minimalist, but it is elegant in look and feel. Inside, meron tayong indoor garden, which is this one. Meron tayo ditong counter table. Actually, this area where we are right now is yung pinaka kitchen natin. So you have your stove, your sink, microwave oven, and your refrigerator. Ito siya. So still here at the first level, meron tayo ditong room, which is the comfort room. Our owners also have prepared some group games, some entertaining games family can enjoy, even kids can enjoy. So, eto sila. So, coming up to the second level, dito located yung mga rooms natin, guys. Casa Mariyana has 3 rooms. As soon as you go to the second level, ayan, meron tayong common area or family area. Ito siya. Napakaganda rin ang design natin. Look at this. Wow. I like the design. So let's go to the first room. And here is the room. Look at this. Look at the room. So, and guys, this room has 2 beds. It can accommodate up until 4 people. And then this room has its own toilet and bath, which is napakalaki rin, guys. Look at this. So big. So this room has access to the balcony and meron na rin siyang sariling entertainment. Okay, so coming to the second room, ito naman siya, guys. Wow! Again, it is very spacious and mapapansin nyo sa likuran natin, guys, yung bed type niya is actually a bunk bed. It also has a pull-out dun sa baba and meron din siyang TV for your entertainment. Also has its own toilet and bath, which is this. Ito na rin siya, guys. So, going to the last room, ito naman siya, guys. Alright, this room has 2 double-deck beds. This can accommodate up until 8. Yeah, so this is the place. And so all in all, guys, Casa Mariyana can accommodate comfortably 22 people. So this is the last place I'm gonna share with you. So this is going to be the outdoor communal entertainment or recreation area, because here And guys, dito located yung ating billiards table and yung video okay. Right, so that was it, guys. Thank you so much, Casa Mariyana, for inviting us and letting us see your newly built staycation dito po sa may Lubao, Pampanga. So ayun guys, if you are interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including yung fan page that you need to message. Please like their fan page as well to be updated sa mga rates and upcoming promos na papublish po nila. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out, guys. Bye.